Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in hashrate mining. Let's jump right into it. So the price yesterday for hashrate was rising here despite Bitcoin was dropping. We had a good move here on the Nasdaq chart here in US dollars. So we're now back at the levels, 2 weeks ago when we started trading on Nasdaq, and we had this very disappointing price movement here to the downside. But since then we are recovering. And yesterday there was a lot of volume here, a nice move to the upside. And I hope this is the beginning of the turnaround for hashrate because it's due. When we compare the market cap to the US competitors, for example, there should be a lot of upside potential right now. I think you know this. We will see. I think it's important now that Bitcoin recovers, that we go to 40,000 or so, and don't drop below 30,000 again. That's very important. But we have a very good news flow right now from hashrate. So first of all, a few days ago we had the news about their targets. At the end of the year, they want to have 2.5 to 3 exahash in Bitcoin mining hash rate, and in mid-2022, they want to have 6 exahash. So for me, that was very important, the commitment into Bitcoin mining, because I don't want to invest in a data center company. I want to invest in a Bitcoin miner or into an Ethereum miner. I like really this mining stuff because I'm very bullish on these cryptocurrencies, and when they rise to incredible highs, which I hope they will finally, then these stocks should outperform a lot of other stocks. And yesterday we had more good news here. So hashrate made a really good deal, and they bought approximately 12,000 new microBT miners for deployment end of this year. So these are the microBTs, M30s, M30S Plus and M31S. So the price was 44.4 million. So that's approximately $44 here per terahash. That's a very good price. I think that's how we should measure these deals. What are they paying per terahash? When we go to the spot markets here for hash rate, the most efficient miners here, the under 38 joule per terahash, it's right now $75 US. So hashrate paid $44 US, which is a lot cheaper. And I think it was smart to not buy it here in May when Bitcoin was at 60,000 and the miners were, the spot prices here were at $120 US per terahash for latest technology miners. So it's now close to halving here. So it's now a lot cheaper. And hashrate took advantage and made this deal here with this Hong Kong based company here. So maybe they're stepping out of mining, I don't know, or maybe a customer of them, it's a step back, and now hashrate bought these 11,090 miners and here another 863. These 863 will deployed here in July, so that's very soon. But the others will be installed in November, December in the new facility. So hashrate is now talking more and more about this 100 megawatt facility they're building with Validas power. So it would be good to get more information about this because I really like these information about these new facilities. I think it will be at a location where they have some flare gas because they told us, and they will have more generation or maybe the grid there where they can get the rest of the power they need. So 100 megawatt is pretty significant. So hashrate is gonna be at I think 145 megawatts at the end of the year total capacity. So they already have 109. Then they will add additional 35 at the end of this year. To deploy these miners here, and next year in summer they want to have like 210 megawatts operational here with this new facility. So At the end of this year, 2.5 exahash is right now disclosed, and 1,600 gigahash for Ethereum miners. With this data, they want to mine, and with a difficulty adjustment we will have tomorrow, I think, with minus 27%. They're saying here they want to mine 20 to 22 bitcoins per day at the end of this year. So hopefully we will see this, because that would be amazing. Let's check the data. So with the new miners here at 1.1 exahash approximately, the power should be at 40 megawatt or so at 4 cents. In the last news, they told us they will have 2.7 cents per kilowatt hour electricity, so that's very cheap. But I calculate here with 4 cents. With these new miners, they would generate right now 7.7 bitcoins here, with a revenue of $260,000 and a profit of 220,000. So they're very efficient miners, one of the most efficient in the world right now. So, and in the month it will add revenue 7.7 million. So, I mean, if Bitcoin rises again, and if Bitcoin doubles from here, let's say to 60,000-70,000, I mean, this is going to be 15 million at the hash rate right now. So we could see an ROI very soon if the bull market in Bitcoin continues. So again, I think that $44 per terahash at the moment right now is a very good price. So I really like this move. So 2.5 exahash with 135, or it should be more 145 megawatts at the end of the year. We're gonna be at 17.5 bitcoins right now. So and a revenue of close to $600,000 and a big profit here per month. This is gonna be like $17.5 million. So that should be 200 million a year here in revenue with this data from today. So the hash rate is low right now, we know this, but also Bitcoin price. When you look to stock to flow, for example, it seems very low, it seems very cheap, so Bitcoin could head a lot higher. I think the hash rate will take a while to recover. I was talking yesterday to Rob Chung, from the CEO of Griffin Mining, and he said, there are not that much empty facilities right now out there, so they have to build new facilities in North America, for example, and this will take 4, 6, 8, 9 months. So the hash rate will slowly come back. But not most likely not very fast. And so we have this 17.5 bitcoins here a day, and from the Ethereum hash rate we're expecting right now 3 bitcoins here. So with the data from today, it could be 20 bitcoins at the end of the year. I think the hash rate will rise until then, so I'm expecting more like 15 bitcoins, 16 bitcoins or so at the end of the year per day. But also we could see a big rise in Ethereum price because of now the London hard fork, and maybe at the end of the year the these proof of stake thing will come closer, so then maybe FOMO sets in for Ethereum. So Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin, and that would mean that they will get more Bitcoins here for the Ethereum hash rate, because they want to have the payout in Bitcoin. Okay, so hopefully the turnaround for Hut 8 continues. We need Bitcoin to rise again. Bitcoin looks right now a little bit weak. But we were talking about this Wyckoff accumulation pattern for a while, so it makes sense that we go down here maybe to 32,000, but at some point we should get a bounce and move higher. I think that would be very important. Okay guys, so these are the Hut 8 news. They're traded on NASDAQ tier 1, the top tier here for NASDAQ. So hopefully people will wake up to this company. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.